What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a super good mood. I hope you are too. So make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you learn the most out of it and you can work with me, you feel me? But let's just dive right into the video. I know we're finna make something really fire. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? Other than that, let's just make some fire today. I'm really gassed up and in a good mood to make some beats. I hope you are too, bro. Let's get it. So I got this Diamond Dragon VST and I don't know yet what we're finna make, but I'm just going to mess around with this plugin. I'm always trying out new stuff, so that's why I'm using this plugin. Super fire. I've been using it all week, so make sure to go check it out. The link is in the description, gang. Ooh, I don't know where this is going, but I kind of like it. I'm going to mess around with it a little bit more, add some crazy effects. I hope you can follow along because I'm going to try and flip it. This little tail of the delay right here, I'm going to sample it and turn it into something really unique. But yeah, let's just dive right into it. Let's make sure this is more on tempo, so snap the grid 1/2 beat, and as you can see right here, not everything is in tempo, so just shift it like this. It will sound a little bit choppy, but for this melody it will be fine. I know you is waiting for the 808. I'm going to add an 808 right now in a kick, and then we're going to add some more counter melodies. I've been using this workflow for a while now, just creating the main melody and then just adding some drums and then just adding the other counter melodies. That way I know if the beat is too full or too empty. So right here, let's add whoa, this beat is just too crazy. I just wanted to say something, but I was just bro, this beat is too crazy. So what I wanted to say is, let's add a roll right here, see how that sounds. I think it sounds super dirty, bro. Nah, now we just need a fucking hard kick. Right now we just need some extra elements to add on to the melody. I'm hearing a string. I don't know what it is, but we might just need to add a string, something really crazy. Ooh, that's too saucy. That's my days. I mean, just listen to this. Listen to with the drums, it will come in so hard. Just wait. It's just insane. We're starting like this, then we have this part, and then just the drums right away. Boom. It's just crazy, bro. It's crazy. I might just maybe add real quick one last sound because I feel like it needs something else, like for in the hook, something extra. We can maybe half time the intro just to create like something unique. I normally don't do this, but it might sound fire. I don't know. I'm just throwing on some random effects. You feel me? You did? Let's see how this sounds. Right here with the 808, I want like a double note. Dun 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 dun, like that. What the? Bro, this beat is just insane, bro. I got nothing else to say. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. This tutorial showed you how to make like a really dark and nasty 808 mafia type beat with like some vocals in there. I think it sounds super sick. But anyways, so make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.